Hi, I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet, and today I'm going to show you how to make a chopped beet salad. A chopped beet salad is a wonderful salad because the beets are nice and tender, and they're going to soak up the flavorful dressing that you put on them. So to get the beets ready, you want to drop them into a pot of boiling water. And what that's going to do is it's going to make it easy for the peels to separate from the beets, because beet skins can be kind of tough. So have a pot of boiling water. I'm going to drop them right in there. And if you're cooking a bunch of beets together, you want to make sure that they're roughly the same size, because then they cook in about the same length of time. So they're going to cook for about 45 minutes, and what you want to do is pull them out with a pair of tongs. And then you can hold them under cold running water and see if the skin easily separates like it does there. And that means your beet is fully cooked and it's going to be easy for you to peel it. So once your beets are peeled, I'm just going to chop them into bite-sized pieces. You notice that I'm wearing gloves. Beets turn your hands red, so by wearing gloves, I just turn my gloves red. So just bite-sized pieces here. And then I'm just going to make a simple dressing for this. I'm going to use olive oil, balsamic vinegar, some chopped green onions, some chopped flat leaf parsley, Italian parsley. You can use either curly parsley or flat leaf parsley for this recipe. I find the flat leaf just a little more flavorful. Then a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. And there you have the chopped beet salad.